Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn book number 2nd, lesson number 1, The Unwanted Guest. So let's read and discuss the story of a woman called Buddhimati. The Unwanted Guest. She lived in a village in Andhra Pradesh. The word Buddhimati means a woman of intelligence, and Buddhimati really was as good as her name. At any rate, she was far more intelligent than her husband Vishnu Rao. Vishnu Rao was a Brahmin. He earned just enough to provide his family with one square meal a day. Vishnu Rao only had to meet someone in the street to bring him home for a meal. Many people took advantages of his hospitality. They pretended to be hungry or down, and so as to get a free meal. With his steady stream of guests pouring in, Buddhimati and her children often had to go hungry. Buddhimati did not like this at all. She begged and pleaded with Vishnu Rao to change his ways, but her begging and pleading had no effect. Buddhimati lay awake, trying to think of a way out of the problem. At last, Buddhimati had an idea. When Vishnu Rao came home from work, another Brahmin tagging along after him. "We want lunch," said Vishnu Rao as he entered. Buddhimati smiled and welcomed both of them. Vishnu Rao was puzzled at his wife's behavior. Vishnu Rao spread out a mat for his guest. "I will be back in no time," and off he went to the river for a bath. Buddhimati came into the room and brought a stout wooden stick, the kind used for washing clothes, and kept it in the corner. She lit an earthen lamp before the stick and made offering of rice, plantains, and flowers. She bowed low before the sticks and seemed to be saying, when on earthen, "What are you doing?" Buddhimati simply waved one hand, asking him to be quiet. Finally, she turned to the Brahmin and said, "Forgive me for behaving like this." "Why?" asked the Brahmin, his heart beating a little faster. "If I purify the stick with a puja, then the god will forgive my husband for beating up the guest." The Brahmin jumped up in alarm, and beating up the guest, he cried, almost choking over his words, "You must forgive him, sir," begged Buddhimati with folded hands. But the guest had already shouted out. Vishnu Rao was just coming back from the river. "What happened?" he asked his wife. "That man was supposed to have his lunch here. He wanted the stick, but I refused to give it to him. Without that stick, how will I wash the family's clothes?" "Oh, you foolish woman, you have insulted my guest, and the guest is like a god. Here, give me that stick. I will run after him," and presented it him to individually. Vishnu Rao grabbed the stick, and began to run. "Wait, wait," he called out. "Don't disappoint me. I say wait." Seeing Vishnu Rao running after him, armed with a stick, he ran faster than ever. In a few minutes, he had disappeared from view. He scolded Buddhimati some more for refusing to give the guest what he had asked for, but the Brahmin did not forget. He went around and whispered in people's ears, "Never, never go to Vishnu Rao's house for a meal. The fellow will first feed you and then hammer you with a stick." Good and hard, people believed him. They stopped accepting the Vishnu Rao's invitations. And that is how the Buddhimati finally got rid of unwanted guests. Now let's discuss the summary of this lesson. Student would enjoy this lesson. See, this folktale has been taken from the Andhra Pradesh. This story is called about a woman called Buddhimati. As per her name, she was intelligent, and she was intelligent than her husband Vishnu Rao. He was a Brahmin. Many people took advantages of his hospitality. They pretend to be hungry to get a free meal. but the condition of his house was really very difficult. Okay, there was very little food in Vishnu Rao's house, with the steady streams guest pouring in Buddhimati, its house. Okay, Buddhimati often thought about how to get out from this problem. Then after, she had got an idea. When the guest come and settled down, and her husband had went for the bath, that time she worshipped the stick and told guest to forgive his husband because he is little bit mad. After the meal he is going to beat up you. Okay, the Brahmin jumped up in the fear and ran away. Okay, he ran as faster than ever. After this incident, he went around whispering in people's ears, asking like that, never ever go to the Vishnu Rao's house because that fellow gives a meal and afterwards he beats us nicely, okay, with the stick. So people believed him and they stopped accepting the Vishnu Rao's invitation, and that is how the Buddhimati finally got rid of unwanted guest.